Hello friends, my name is Ganesh Nayak. Let us start talking about the last 30-day strategy for CARB SCR exam. Take the entire content and bucket it into three parts. From day 1 to day 5, focus on these three chapters: Foundation of Climate Change, Sustainability and Climate Change Risk. Read the CARB book and solve the question bank properly. It should have at least 20 to 30 questions. Day 6 to day 10, focus on these two chapters which are connected: Sustainability and Climate Policy, Culture and Governance, and Green and Sustainable Finance Structure. Again, go through GARP and solve the question. Day 11 to day 15, the next three chapters are very critical. The first one is climate risk measurement, and then climate model, and then net zero. Out of these, the first two chapters are very important. Solve the entire chapter's question bank properly, at least 20-30 questions to get a good view of what is there in the exam. Then from day 21 to day 26, focus on revision. Read the entire GAR book once from start to end. This will help you to grasp the nuances in detail of the concept. Day 27 to 28, solve mock papers. Whatever mock is possible, and make sure that you solve GARB sample paper in detail. Day 29 to 30, the final few days, do the final revision, focus on important concept, look at where you have made mistakes and relax. Few of the general tips which you should follow for the actual exam day. Stay disciplined and stick to your study schedule, do not deviate. Stay hydrated, eat well and exercise for your energy level up. Minimize distraction during the entire preparation period. And join online forums and study group to share your view on topics and clarify your doubts. So make sure that you're well thorough with the GARB book, and also stay updated with the announcements which are coming up on the GARB website. Remember, the key to success in this SCR exam is a combination of good understanding about the GARB book and practice and effective time management. Be confident, stay focused, and you'll be able to clear the exam.